Chasing parlays is exciting, but it's not a sustainable way to win. If you want consistent profits in daily fantasy, DigiFantasy shows you how to play smarter, not riskier. With DigiFantasy, you're not just making random picks, you're using positive expected value betting strategies. The platform compares sportsbook lines against DFS apps like PrizePicks and Underdog to find plays that actually favor you. The DFS optimizer spots those profitable edges instantly. The DFS middling tool lets you reduce risk by playing both sides of mispriced lines. And the AI slip generator gives you fully built slips that have been tested and proven over thousands of bets. That's how you turn DFS from a gamble into a strategy. Small, consistent wins that add up over time. If you're ready to stop chasing parlays and start building a real edge, click the link in my description and join DJ Fantasy today.